Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today is I'm really excited because I can finally share you guys my recent makeup products, and it's from the brand Mirette. They sent me a package. They contacted me last year around October, and I tried all the makeup around second or first week of November last year, and I can't wait to finally share it to the world and to you guys. Before I begin, I want to tell you guys this real quick. Mirette was created to reimagine luxury beauty by making it well edited, clean. So all the makeup products are clean and accessible. We're focused on responsible luxury, creating products that are safe for body, skin, and planet, which is really good, and essentials that have earned a place to your vanity, which is amazing. And okay, so before that, I want to show you guys the product. So I have 3 tinted lip oil here, which is in the shade Au Natural, Marrakech, and Sangria, and I'll be doing like a swatch as well. So this is Sangria, Au Natural, and Marrakech. I love this too. I just swatched this today, which is also it's like a deep red oil. It's not too red when you apply it into your lips because it's tinted lip oil. They also sent me their brow volumizing pomade, which is in this gold packaging. So cute. And they also sent me their clean lash mascara, not lash. Yeah, mascara. Yep, I believe this is the Perfect Black Lengthening Mascara right here. I really adore their packaging. It may look dirty because I've been using this like for the past 2 months. And they also sent me 2 this is their Minimalist Perfection complexion stick, which is like a mixture of foundation / concealer, so which is a bright idea. And this is the packaging look like. Right, okay, this is the packaging look like. I picked up the shade Best and Buff. Okay, and this is their logo brand. You can see that's their logo. So this is the shade Best, and this is the shade Buff. So I've been using the Buff a lot, and right there, the Buff is more of like darker, and the Best is more like lighter. So I'll mix these 2 up to kind of like get my perfect shade. And also they sent me one of my favorite, which is their blush, not balm. This is the in the shade Terracotta, right there. Also came with this little cute brown makeup bag, which is, you can use this as a makeup bag, you can use this as like a lunch bag, and you can also use this like a, you know, pouch, like if you want to go to like a grocery store, like run errands. This is honestly really cute, and you just like tie this and go like that. It's so cute. So anyway, you guys, if you want to see my full review and how I do this look, then keep on watching. So I'm gonna go over with the 1980 brow pomade. This is their volumizing pomade, and honestly, you guys, this is like life changer. Like, I mean, life changer. So normally I just line actually the micro brow pencil, and I'm gonna go over with their volumizing pomade, and I have been doing this for the past couple of months. So I already moisturized and put primer on my face, and I also clean the brow with their Minimalist foundations. I mean, it's like mixture of foundation / concealer, because it says in here it's not a foundation or concealer, it's both. So what I did is they sent me 2 products of the Minimalist foundation. The first one that they sent me is the shade Buff, and the Buff I use to clean my eyebrow, and Buff is more darker than my skin complexion. Now, since it's winter time, I tend to get lighter. My skin, especially my face, tends to get lighter. So what I've been doing is I use the shade Buff because it's like a little darker than my skin complexion. Now I use it as a contour. So this is what I've been doing. I put the shade Buff actually not buff, bist, and kind of like conceal where you guys can see I have my pimple or acne scars, and I just put this and cover up my acne scars. And I tend to put this or leave it for like two minutes, and there. Now with my forehead is a little bit darker, like a little bit 1 or 2 shades darker than the rest of my face. If I have imperfections there, I go over with the shade buff, but I'm gonna set this concealer slash foundation on my face for a good 1 minute or 2. So with blending this foundation slash concealer stick, I like when I use a brush rather than a sponge, because I did use it with sponge and I didn't like it because the coverage was really like not there. So I just like buff it out and just kind of like spread the products out evenly in my face. I'm using the Sigma brush around Kabuki F82 and just lightly buff it. And also add as much concealer slash product as you want, foundation slash concealer as you want, but I'm good with the couple of products in my face because I'm gonna go over with cream contour and also with the blush. And now, since I haven't put anything in my forehead, I'm gonna use the shade buff and kind of like put this right here and act like a cream contour right there, because it's like match my forehead, and just blend this out. So for the blush, they sent me the shade Terracotta, and this is the packaging look like. It's so cute. So in the instruction is to just wipe it in your cheeks, and I've been doing it with the sponge. Like I would put this product in the sponge and kind of like blend it in. So I'm gonna do it like my way, and I'm also gonna do it like their way, which is like blend this in your, put this in your face, put this in your face and just kind of like blend it with your fingers. I don't really like putting product on my fingers because I don't know, like I just don't like it, like the feeling of the product in my finger. But this is what I did, is I just put the shade, by the way, this is the shade Terracotta, and just press it in so I have that like natural like color in my cheeks. Right there. Can you guys see that beautiful color? Alright, so my camera died, my SL2 camera died, so I'm using the other camera. So for the eyelashes, this is their Clean Lash in Perfect Black. I already curled my lashes, and I'm just gonna put this before putting falsie, like fake falsies. And I love this for like a everyday, like if you don't want to put fake eyelashes, this is good as well because it actually like lengthens your eyelash. That's the lashes look like. It's so cute, and I like a little bit dramatic, so I'm gonna put some falsies, like fake falsies from Shop Miss A. Let me just put that real quick and I'll be back. Alright, so now for my favorite part is their tinted lip oil. I got 3 shades here. This is Au Natural, and I have been using this even when I go to work. I use this shade a lot, and this is also my favorite, which is in the shade Marrakech. I don't know how to pronounce that name, but that's what it looks like. The third one is in the shade Sangria. Well, this one is more like a darker like red. I haven't really tried this shade yet, but let me just give you guys a swatch on all of this 3 tinted lip oil. It's very hydrating, and this video is not gonna be like a first impression because I've been like trying these products. So, and my first impression with this tinted lip oil is very hydrating. It doesn't feel like you have something in your lips. Like, it just feels like a lip balm but with a tint to it. So this is in the shade Au Natural. I'm gonna put this in the back of my hand real quick. Okay, sorry, I'm bad at swatching, but this is the Au Natural Marrakech, and this is the Sangria. This is the 3 colors that they sent me. This is nudish color, like light pinky nude.
Finna beat down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. True now, cry and get no, cry and get no. Hope you free your soul, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice.
Alright you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys love this little makeup tutorial moment slash review. Not even first impression, but like a review of this new brand Mirette. If you guys are interested in any products, I'm gonna leave all the link in my description box below so you guys can check it out. If you guys are gonna ask me what's my favorite out of all the stuff that they sent me, I would say the brow, the tinted lip oil, the complexion stick, which is I love because you can use it as cream contour as well. This is like foundation slash concealer slash, if you got the shade like darker, you can also use it as a cream contour. And also their blush, I love the effect of their blush. And I mean, I honestly almost love everything. But anyways, like this video you guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.